What's up, fam? Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Today we're just checking on the progress of our garden here. And we have some strawberries coming up over here. And these tomato plants are already, they've been pollinated and they're growing some flowers. The bees just hang around here. So I hope they're being beneficial to the garden. And the cucumbers are thriving. There's a lot of pollen on everything. And the oregano, the garlic oregano, just loves it here. Okay, and my Napa cabbage. Okay, I'm seeing something biting on my cabbages. All right, it's time. It's time for the big stuff. Okay, I don't see anything on my collard greens yet. They're growing like weeds. Okay, so I still got pepper plants. There's a lot of ants that are just running all over my cabbages. I'm going to blast them off with my hose. But everything's looking good. It's a nice, pleasant day. All right, so let's see how the pansies are doing. Everything's looking good, looking good. Now over here, hubby's making me a little planter. And this is like a crate that some medical equipment came in. And this is the type of resourcefulness we need. You know, when you're doing anything, you need somebody that has a certain eye. So he saw this. He was like, and they were going to throw it away. He said, "What you gonna do with that, man?" You know, they're working in his office. And so he's like, "I can take this. My wife could use this in the garden." And I was like, because I was looking at some wooden raised planters. I was like, but I don't really feel like, I don't feel like buying it. I don't feel like having to fix it. And so he got this. He lugged this home. They helped him put it in the truck. He lugged it home. So he stained it. It was like a natural wood. If you see like that wood color, it was that. And he did some painting and lined it. And so we're still working on it. So it's pretty much, and it came like full of foam and everything. So he has just done a beautiful job. But yeah, I love it. But as of when he was working on it, he was working on a drill. He was drilling some holes, for drainage in here. And he was working on it, and a part from that drill dropped. So I want to tell anybody, if you're working on, if you're using your drills or whatever, your hammer, do not do it around your glass table, because a part fell off and it shattered our patio table into a million pieces. So that's gone. So he immediately told me to go online and find a new one. This one was old. It has withstood so much. And I probably had the same patio set. You guys have seen it in my videos for over 20 years. I keep stuff forever. So here are the chairs. And I might make a pretty, well, I'll see. And so clear this out. We still have the base. I'm going to keep it, because these bases are expensive. And this was a cute one. It's hard to find a cute one. And so we're going to keep that. And then I want to do a patio refresh. I think I need to go on, and I'm just not going to do it this week. It's too much pollen. I need to, what is it called? Pressure wash the patio, since it's clear. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my plants from the cage and I'm going to see how many plants I can actually fit in this planter here. Before that, let me go into the greenhouse, check what's going on. You see my pillows are in here. Greenhouse is getting junky. So I gotta get these cleaned off. But my lettuces are looking beautiful. Cut and come again. Salad mix, they're rejuvenating. Okay, oh, and hubby got a blueberry tree, blueberry bush. And yeah, we got eggplants coming along. Lettuces are coming along. And over here, a salad tower. Birds are just cutting up. I love birds. Oh, this one's getting some mushrooms up over here. Let's see, we gotta get you up. I threw that out. I'm going to throw my dumb cane. You guys, I got this last year, and as soon as it just struggled all year long. I had it in the house, so it just always struggled. So I just bought it out here to let it live out the rest of its days. All right, what's going on? All right, look at cucumbers. Cucumber getting some more leaves on it. Cherry tomatoes popping up. Herbs are popping up. Oh, what do I got? Some volunteers over here. Oh, now y'all want to pop up. They sat over there for weeks. I don't even know what it is now. Let's go on and spray them up. Okay, they need more than a spritzing now that they're popping up. All right, these are looking good, All right. Let's get all of these. These little mushrooms. All right, everything's looking well. You just take 10 minutes out your day. Okay, fam, I got 15 of my collards and Napa cabbages in this planter here. And I'm so thankful. Hubby did a great job. I'm so thankful. See, he knows his wifey. He knows I love resourcefulness. And it's my birthday. And I like to do things on a budget. I like to do things as creatively as possible. So I'm going to see how this works out. He's going to have to like set up a cage or something and put some mesh over these. But there'll be less pressure, less pest pressure because they are closer to the closer to the house. So, and then, you know, since my patio table was ruined, and we have 4, I loved my chairs. I loved my patio set. I was a hard-working girl. When I got that patio set, I was making good money, but it was a job I hated. So, but I endured, and I was able to get a lot of stuff. So, we're gonna make a chair planter. You got some, don't be throwing away those old chairs. I'm gonna and this is the perfect height for me to harvest. So I put 4 cabbages there, my overflow plants go right here. Make your nice chair planters. Be creative and resourceful. And I like this. I think this is so cute. All right. Got here and right here. So we have more cabbages here. They'll get good sun. So let's step back and get a look. That is very pleasing. It's very pleasant. So yeah, if you got some old chairs, and then I like when, like if you have like regular dining chairs that you like, something happened to the cushions, you take those cushions out and create a planter on that. That's real cute. And then hubby made this grill when we got our house built. And so this is going to be a planter because we don't use it much. So for right now, the plants are going in the grill, on the grill. So so there's nothing in here. So hubby's going to get these when he comes home and kind of till the soil. Look, there's some lettuce growing in there, some lettuce seeds. So he's going to till that soil and put the watermelons and all that good stuff. So today's video is all about using, thinking outside the box, using free stuff, reusing stuff that you have to save space and to beautify your garden. And this is truly a patio garden. Everything is so convenient right off the patio. He knows I don't like going out in the yard, so keep everything patio accessible. All right, so you hear the men working on the house behind me. So I'm going to find ways to keep it beautiful. And yeah. So all the non-edible plants, I'll just keep on the ground. There's so many worms and roly-polies. Guys, if people want worms and stuff, you come over here. This ground is so fertile. So we got all the non-edible stuff is going to be on the ground, tamping down the greenhouse, and the rest is going to be up on these chairs. All right, guys. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next video. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers and the Posh Petals. I have 2 channels. I have Posh Plants and Garden and Tanya's Tasteful Table. They kind of overlap each other, okay? Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.